Hello viewers, today's video I show you how to make 3000 per month as a student. It's very good opportunity for a student who want to make money. So you can use this website and make money. So this website, how it is work. You see here how question tutorial work, question and answer tutorial work. Post question, you can post question here and connect to the tutor. Here you can get the tutor and explain the answer, explanation the answer, and tutor explain your answer, and this is way they get paid as a tutor. Okay, there is some category. There is a mathematics, programming, science, humanities, business, writing. So I show you the way how to make money from here. Okay, you see there is a 24/7 study help. In this website, any student or other people can help from here. Okay, so how to work? You see there is a 35 million study document from the note bank. This note bank you can get 35 million study document. So as a tutor, you upload your document here, and someone view your document, you can get paid. So how it is work? First of all, you want to get sign up. So you click on sign up, and you can use your email address, username, password, or use Facebook or Google sign up. So click on here, sign up with Google. After few seconds, okay, for example, I sign in my account from here and continue. And this website is very trustable. There is a 35 million. You see, there is 35 million study book here, and get paid regularly. And agree, done. Now you set your username. Okay, username. I set my username from here, and after that you continue. Okay, you click on, and you should select university, and what's this university, sorry, and you write it down, your university name or school name here. Okay, so after that you see homework, question and answer. Tutor can help with all type of question, big or small, ranging hundreds of subjects, from basic math to advanced rocket science. Okay, how to work? You see, post question, asks all type of question, big or small, from basic math to rocket science. For example, someone asks question, small or big, math or rocket science, connect to tutor. So this student connect to the tutor. As I am a tutor, I get the question and explain the answer. I explain the answer and upload my work from here. Okay, if someone like my work and download it, they pay you, and website gets something, and they paid the maximum amount of money money sent my account. Okay, then continue. Okay, note bank. Okay, there is 35 million homework, question, study document, and class note. Okay, then done. Okay, here you see there is a sale document. So how to work from here? You can sell your document if you are what can I say, experienced in mathematics or English or other subject. You make your document. For example, I also make the project on foreign evidence. Okay, I make the document. Now I try to upload here. This is the my project, the project on foreign evidence. I make it from my BBA MBA course. So this document I try to sell from this website, using this website. Okay, For example, I come here and you see there is a sale document and there is a dollar sign. Okay, I click on here. Okay, now, okay, now first of all, you click on sell DOS, then uh, earn free unlock. Okay, you click on here, and after that you see if you are paid access, 1 year is 4.95 in a month, and there is 3 month almost $10, and 1 month is $20. Okay, so you can get there is some membership access, and you upload your file. If someone access your file, they paid your money, so you need to take the subscription, or you want to free use this access and upload your file. You upload for free access. You click on here, and after that okay, in after that you click on here. Okay, upload more file. So I upload my this one. This is the free one. Okay, you can upload 10 file using free document, free access unlock. So in a free way you can upload 10 documents. Okay, so I hope it's helpful for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.